310,000 buyers, 25,000 suppliers, and the world's largest sourcing event. But the Canton Fair 2026 is completely different. This time is not just an exhibition, it's an explosion of AI, drones, robots, and future products. If you are in e-commerce or import business, this video could be your $1,000,000 decision. What is Canton Fair? Let me explain in simple terms. Canton Fair, also known as China Import and Export Fair, has been running since 1957 and today is the world's biggest sourcing platform. Here you get direct factory suppliers, best possible prices, and the future product before they reach to the market. From electronics to fashion, everything is available in one place, Guangzhou, China. And I personally come here every year for just one reason: finding the winning product and the reliable suppliers. What's new in 2026? Now let's come to the most important part. Canton Fair 2026 is not same as 2025. This time there have some serious upgrades that directly impact your business. 8 brand new product zones. The biggest change, 8 completely new product zones have been introduced. For example, intelligent wearables, display technology, consumer and agricultural drones, bamboo and eco-home products, modular housing system, and functional fabrics. In simple words, new industry have officially entered the fair. And where there is new category appears, there is always early opportunities. Ask me AI assistant. This is no longer just a guide. This is 24/7 personal business assistant. You can search exhibitors, plan your schedule, and book hotels. Tasks that used to take hours now can be done in minutes with AI. Booth level navigation. It's no longer just navigating the hall. Now you can navigate the exact booth across 25 halls. It works like Google Map, no time wasted, direct access to suppliers. Real-time shuttle tracking. Now you can see where the bus is, when it will arrive. Now your moment in the fair is optimized. In-hall food delivery. Now you don't need to leave the hall. Order food, you get it inside the hall. Your meeting continue, your deal continue. Robotic and AI expansion. This year, humanoid robot, robotic dog, coffee robots. China is clearly showing the future. Dedicated drone zones. For the first time, separate zones for consumer and agriculture drones. This industry growing so fast. Sustainability focus. Eco-friendly products, recycled material, biodegradable items. Global demand is moving in this direction. This is not just a fair. This is the future of global sourcing. Now the most important part, planning. Canton Fair happens in 3 phases. If you enter the wrong phase, the entire trip can be wasted. Phase 1, electronics, EVs, machinery, best for high-tech and innovation businesses. Phase 2, decor and furniture, gold mine for Amazon and home brands. Phase 3, fashion, textile and bags. This is where the viral products come from. Now listen carefully, I'm not here just to explore, I'm here to work for you. From April 15, 30 days, 1 winning product every day. Trending, high demand, good margin, verified suppliers. 30 days, 30 opportunities. Private Facebook group, link in the description. Join now. If you cannot attend the Canton Fair, don't worry. There is a form in the description. Fill it out and then me and my team will find suppliers, verify factories, negotiate prices, and check samples. No matter where you are, your sourcing will be done in China by their sourcing. Canton Fair 2026, if you use it the right way, your business can change. Like, share, subscribe, and join the group. Fill out the form. See you next video. Stay premium.